No doubt that you have hundreds of use cases out there that you're experiencing across the various interagencies. You want to give us an example of one that you'd like to highlight?
Yeah, sure. And maybe I might do two, Luke, if that's okay. One from
Sure.
sort of.
I think we got an extra minute or two.
All right. One thing that we saw during COVID with the state agencies that we work with
Mhm.
is really an advancement in taking advantage of these modern cloud-based data platforms. That was really a driver because states needed access to real-time or near real-time information and data sharing. So the states were able to stand up these platforms really in a matter of days because of the criticality of them at the time to be able to share the critical health information across the states. And so, for example, as PPE and hospital beds were sparse, they were
Mhm.
able to access this information across the state to be able to identify the areas that were most in need. And what we've seen is that this was really a driver with the states that we work with for data modernization. And they've now expanded the use of these modern cloud-based data platforms for additional use cases. And it was really that catalyst for change. Then on the federal side, Trang mentioned some of the inspections that CBP does, and we're seeing a really strong advancement in leveraging AI for unstructured data. So, for example, we're seeing the use of computer vision to help support site inspections. Think of this as perhaps Department of Transportation or local state transportation entities using computer vision to look at infrastructure such as roads and bridges, or think of FEMA using computer vision to help support disaster recovery. And this is really allowing agencies to speed the pace at which they're able to respond to potential disaster recovery and or being able to make sure that they're providing the right resources to places that need them most.